Ancestry has deep roots in innovation going back 40 years. And that has really instilled in employees' minds that we have to keep pace with innovation. Teams themselves look at innovation not as a point in time, but one of continuous change and continuous evolution. Now we're experimenting with the latest advances in AI technology, including agentic AI framework, audio and video storytelling, to be able to provide that immersive experiences to our customers. And I'm super excited about what will come next over the next couple of years, leveraging AI. Experimentation is the key to innovation. We try a bunch of different things, 7 or 8 different variations of a feature, and then we figure out through formal testing process what gains traction amongst our consumers. It's become a part of our day-to-day life in building products. The passion and the mission of the company is of the utmost importance to everybody that works here. This is the mission that charges you day in and day out as you wake up in the morning and go to bed at night.